Parang wala naman ako nakikitang pagbabago. Meron nga.
Girl, get in position. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position. Girl, get in position. I'm keeping it 100. Not a fan of playing tricks to get you in the bedroom. What you see is what you pick, so don't get too excited. Cause I may not be the best you ever score, but I'll focus on the present. Cause I don't need a fantasy anymore. Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position. Girl, get in position. Get in position if you're ready for love. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you're ready for love. Girl, get in position.
Is it good? Is it working? Nawala ba yung alikabok?
Girl, get in position.
Sa may mga keyboard.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position. Girl, get in position. I'm keeping it 100.
Let's see yung ano, labas yung meron ba. Ayan mga mamis, try natin to.
Not a
Sa
fan of
laptop,
playing
sa laptop ng
tricks to
lalaki.
get you in the bedroom.
Wow! Galing ah. Try natin dito.
What you see is
Parang wala
what
naman
you
nakikitang pagbabago.
pick, so don't get too excited.
Meron nga.
Cause I may not be the best you ever score,
Nakinis
but
nga.
I'll focus on the
Nawala ang
present.
alikabok.
I don't need a fantasy anymore.
Yun.
Girl,
Okay.
get in position.
Oops.
Girl, get in position. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position.
Alikabok.
Girl, get in position. Get in position if you're ready for love.
From the keyboard. And look at that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you're ready for love.
Diba? So this thing works. Okay. So I'm gonna clean it. Right? Okay.
Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position.